Usap-usapan naman ngayon ang bagong hairstyle at tattoo ng international singing sensation na si Charisse.
Ang paliwanag ni Charisse sa kanyang new look. Sa report natin saksing si Nelson Canlas.
Sa ganitong simpleng imahe, sinimula ng international artist na si Charisse ang kanyang career. Pero ang Charisse na dumating sa bansa nitong Huwebes, ibang-iba na. Animoy rakista, short at light ash brown na ang kanyang buhok.
Yes, it's my new look, and I know that a lot of people will react about it, and of course some negative, maybe a lot positive. Thank you, but all the negative comments, I don't care. This is me, this is what I want, and I love it.
Hindi lang yan, kapansin-pansin din ang tattoo sa kanyang kaliwang braso, ang katagang Love Eternally na may kasamang infinity symbol. Matagal na raw niyang gustong gawin ito, isang panghabang buhay na simbolo na alay niya raw sa kanyang mga pinakamamahal.
It's for my love for the people, my love for my dad, my love for everybody in my family, just everything. So every time I do something, I always have reasons. I don't just do this because I want it. I always want to do something because I have reasons and I want it.
Tanong tuloy sa isip ng ilan, why the new image?
Some people who think that it's very rebellious. But for me, it's not. It's just me evolving. It's me transforming to another person that is totally me. Magbago man o maraming magbago sa skin ko or whatever, yung attitude and yung intention ko para sa ibang tao is still the same.
Sa kabila ng bagong imahe, tiniyak naman ni Charisse lalo na sa kanyang fans sa buong mundo na siya pa rin ang performer na kanilang hinangaan.
I want to thank all the people who actually understand me, because this is actually a pretty huge step for me, and I love it. Because this is me, this is who I am, and I just don't want to stay. I just don't want to stay a person that I don't like. And what I'm becoming right now is the one that I totally love. And I hope everybody understands that.
Nelson Canlas ang inyong saksi.